cause living for the weak, that we will never rest. So we're all fucking dead, we will never sleep, cause living for the weak, that we will never rest. So we're all fucking dead, we will never sleep, cause living for the weak, that we will never rest. So we're all fucking dead, we will never sleep, cause living for the weak, that we will never rest. So we're all fucking dead. We will never sleep, cause living for the weak, that we will never rest. So we're all fucking dead. We will never sleep, cause living for the weak, that we will never rest. So we're all fucking dead. I rest you.
Alright guys, this is my current user interface on my shaman. I'm gonna go through 3 of my tunes and show you that the interface is different. You can change your interface depending on what class and how you want it. Right now, I have my main cast bar right here. I have my portrait here. I have my secondary stuff here, my lightning shield, my weapon enchants, my different totems, and my lust. And below I have my res, my hearth, my mount, and my vent macro. And up top I have totem timer set. And as you can see, you know, I got pretty much a heads up of everything. So I don't have Omen turned on this character, but Omen would appear down here, I believe. This chat box will go away, but I'll give you an example of how I have the combat text scrolling. So, and there's my in-game combat text. I'm lagging a little bit because I have Fraps and Windows Live Editor running. As you can see, my buffs are at the top. My outgoing damage is going through the right. There's on my enhanced shaman, so there's so much little damage that it's constantly flowing. And on the left would be my healing incoming, which if my pet was on aggressive, you would see. And there's the incoming heals. Not really healing for much, but that's just an example. As you can see, we'll scroll down below with my mounts, and my mount did disappear. The reason for that is that, so when I'm in combat, I don't need to see those. You can turn off anything you want in combat. As you can see, they just came back. My buffs and such are down here. My totems is down here from totem timers. Call them back. Boom, they're back. And then my combat UI. This is Taunt Master. I haven't turned it off yet. Now I'm going to be switching to my warrior to show you the warrior's UI for any tanks. So this is bye-bye from Archie. And hello to Roth. So, alright guys, this is Roth Yella, my warrior on the line side on the same server. As you can see, my UI is a little bit different, not so much, but a little bit. I have 3 bars of crap here. I use pretty much all this stuff in combat usually, besides, you know, my mounts and that. I have my defensive macros, and my portrait's in a different place. Portrait of me, and then my target, and then the target's targeting. Because my eyes are almost always here. So if I see I'm tanking something, just targeting someone else, I know I need to taunt. This is an add-on called Taunt Master. It will change colors anytime someone is getting aggro or has aggro, and instead of scrolling through all the mobs to find the one that's targeting him to taunt, you can just left click and it'll taunt whatever it is. Depending on what you are, it'll do different things. Since I'm a warrior, my left click is taunt and my right click is intervene, which I don't have nothing to intervene to. You know, Death Knights, one will be taunt or dark command, and one will be death grip. Paladins, one is whatever you paladins use. I don't play a tank paladin. And that's my warrior. My stance bar is here. So now I'm going to be switching to my paladin and going to build the UI from scratch, so you guys can kind of get an idea on what needs to happen. So say goodbye to Roth.
Till we meet again.
Alright guys, this is my paladin. I have not logged on to him ever since I implemented my new UI. So as you can see, everything is default and crappy. I have add-ons in my face I can hardly see. So first thing we're going to do is exit out of these add-ons. So this is my paladin, Zendikon, this server. Alliance, of course. He is holy. So I'm going to try to build a more of a healing type of UI here. So as you can see, we have no bags, no arrows, no nothing. So the first thing we're going to do is open up bartender. You need to right click your bartender, go to your Blizzard art bar, scale 0. Let's get rid of that ugly fucking thing. And then secondly, we're going to go through our bars, see which one we need. Bar 1, need that. Bar 2, don't even have anything. Bar 3 is that one, which as I'm looking, there's absolutely nothing there I really need, so we're going to go ahead and get rid of that one. We're going to bar 4, the sidebar. Don't really need anything in there I can't replace later. Bar 5, that one I will keep. Actually, we'll actually get rid of that. We don't need many because we roll heal. I roll heal bot, which isn't up right now. And we'll get rid of that too, because okay, so I'm down to one, just one bar itself. So what I need to do is I need to left click bartender. This will let me move everything that, you know, wherever I want to place it. So I honestly don't need this here. So what I'm going to do is right click bartender again. This is bar 1. What I'm going to do is I'm going to rows. And I'm going to scale it down. That'd be about good. And visibility. Alright, that should be good. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to put this, we're going to slap that right there. We're going to put our little dungeon finder and whatnot there, and we're going to put our auras right there for now. That we're going to lock it, and that's what we have for now. I definitely will be coming back after this video is done and moving around spells out of here, so everything's there. Get rid of these heals. I use healbot anyway. So after all that's done, I can then open Xpearl and begin moving other things. Like maybe I want my portrait here, or maybe I want to slap my portrait there. I can move the chat box. I'm just not going into it. Maybe actually it doesn't look bad there. Well, I'm just gonna leave it there. My target, Zendikon. We're gonna slap our target here. And since, you know, you're a healer, it really doesn't matter who it's targeting. We'll just kind of slap that there. Alright, that's done. This add-on here for the map is called Sexy Map. So /Sexy Map brings up your map. Unlock your mini map. You can put it. It doesn't really matter where. Actually, we're gonna make this like my warrior. We're gonna put our target right there and put that there, and leave our target there so we know which tank is healing or taking the damage. And bring up Sexy Map, GTFO, and we'll bring it right there. Okay, so bag icon being on my map. That's fine. We'll just slap it right there. Lock. Everything's in place to where I like it. Sexy map. If you don't like the way your map looks, you can select a preset, which is different, different styles of the map, like such. I just changed it. If this is the one I have on my shaman, which is shamanism, which puts those on it. The one for my warrior is the burning sun, which is that. So it's whatever you want, really. I think I'll probably keep the emerald portrait just because I'm a healer and reminds me of a rogue. Alright, all that lock mini map. Alright, so now if you're a clicker, you're going to be clicking your spells out of your slots pretty easily. Fix that. Right, left, no, right click your bartender, button lock, and lock it. Done. Now you won't be clicking your spells off. And like I said, this is fully custom. I'm not even done yet. There's some more shit I want to put onto it. I don't have Healbot up, so I can't actually tell you where you might want to place that. But this is pretty much the gist of it. If there's any questions, just let me know. And if you guys like it, let me know. Because if you like it, I'll probably slap it on the curse.com or something. So, alright. By the way, this is the paladin. If I do get rid of my shaman for you guys, this is going to be the guy to come over. So, bye-bye.
Till we meet again.
Your lipstick is color, don't bother, Angel. I know exactly what goes on.